Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application that is widely used for task ranging from simple data entry to complex financial modeling. Here are 5 tools and features that could make your Excel journey more organized. 1. Data validation. Oh no, I keep making the same mistakes when entering values during my counting. What if there was a way to make sure I can only enter correct values? Oh, there is. I can just use data validation by selecting the column I want, clicking on data validation, creating the list of acceptable values, and setting up an error message. Thanks to this, I can now make sure that no more mistakes will happen thanks to that spreadsheet tool. 2. Conditional formatting. Let's show you how to level up your Excel game using conditional formatting. With conditional formatting, you can visualize your data better and more effectively. Just select your data and choose the type of conditions you want. You can choose conditions based on hard rules, such as cell containing a certain value, or based on a scale of value. For example, these icons will be displayed next to the current score based on how high each score is. I can also create some progress bars using the data bars options. Then manage the rule to remove the border, change the color, and remove the number. 3. Tick boxes. Did you know you could use buttons to dynamically change what is displayed in Spreadsheet? Just insert a button from the developer tool, format it, and assign it to a cell. Make the fonts white in this cell, and you can now see that the button value is true when ticked and false when unticked. Finally, adjust your cells functions using if functions or other if-based function to end up with a dynamic dashboard with buttons. 4. Freeze row. Stop wasting your time scrolling back to the header to check which column you are in. Just click on Freeze Stop Row in the View tab and the job is done. Also, if you have an horizontal table, you can freeze the first column with the same principle. Let us know if you find any cool ways to use this Excel feature. 5. Flash fill. Did you ever hear about flash fills? When you want to apply the same logic to a selection of cells, this is the perfect tool for you. For instance, I can extract the first and last names of this column by typing the first name, right-click and select the array I want to flash in, and finally select Flash Fill. This tool can be applied to a lot of different use cases, such as email addresses. Test that for yourself and let us know how it helped you. Understanding how to leverage these tools can greatly enhance your efficiency in working with Excel, thus allowing you to manage and analyze data more effectively. Let us know what Excel tools you want to learn next. Well, now you know.